My PCOS was severe. I just started with these Gynoveda medicines. Within 1.5 months, we just got the news. His reaction after seeing that, yes, I am pregnant, he had just one thing, Gynoveda to Bhagwan ho gaya tumhare liye, Gynoveda to Bhagwan ho gaya. So he was very happy. More than 5 years, we both have married. Since 2 years, we have been planning for a baby, but we couldn't get that news. Just because of this PCOS, I'm not getting a regular period. I was unable to calculate my ovulation, and AMH was 6 and my prolactin was a bit high in the reports. So we went for IUI then when they saw that the egg is not actually maturing properly. So they gave me the injections on the lower abdomen, on the tummy, and that 1 month I was on follicular study, so many medicines, so many injections. I must say that 1 month was so tragic for me. Sometimes I feel like that my blood pressure is too high. Sometimes I felt suffocated. After a few days, I got to know that it is not successful, and I was not happy with that all. So once I thought to go for homeopathic, then I thought it will take a long time. So finally I went for this Ayurvedic one. I just saw the ad on Instagram. Aarti ma'am ke videos मैंने बहुत देखे थे. She used to explain it so deeply, so well, which things were actually was there in my mind. And the same thing she just spoke in that video, and I just instantly related with that. When I ordered the medicine, my bill was something around 8-9,000, and he said it's so expensive. मैंने कहा these are not at all expensive. You have already spent thousands on that 1 month treatment, and these 8 to 9,000 medicines which I am getting, that is for 3 months, not for 1 month. Those who are actually facing this PCOS problem, I always tell them please go with the Gynoveda. And the best part is it will not going to harm your body at all. I'm very thankful to all the doctors whosoever have answered me, whosoever was there with me. I'm very much thankful to them also.